We're just on another drywall repair, ceiling repair, and we're going to respray this whole area with texture. What we've done here, well, you can't see it now, but this is the garage turned like a suite, but the owner wanted a garage door still in there, so they got a new garage door installed there. Also, we finished off all the boarding and the returns on the windows, blah blah blah. You know, there was a sheets width cut out there. We've got it all ready for texturing. We filled it ready for texture, and we've done a whole bunch of repairs here as well. My buddy Darcy here is just putting the stain blocker on where they've got stains, obviously, and in this area we had to cut out and fill to texture grade. And as you can see, we've done some filling. That pink stuff you see there is spray glue. We put that down in dusty environments before we put the fiberglass mesh. A little bit of artwork around the lights. So this is how we've prepped this. So they've removed fluoros and put some nice fancy lights in there. We've just done some basic filling before texture. We're going to texture prime those first with just a light spatter, and then we're going to finish off over the whole area with a retexturing of this whole area. But what I really wanted to show you, and the purpose of this video, was to show everyone. We get asked quite often, you know, how are you going to stop the texture from getting on my furniture? Well, have a look around, folks. This is how we do it. This is how we roll. Double-sided tape around the sides, then we get 12-foot poly, and then we spray glue the poly to itself, so it's just one huge bubble. And then when we pull it all apart, then we texture everything. Everything's quite messy. And then when we wrap it up carefully, there's not a bit of mess, hardly any cleanup. So this is what it looks like if you were to, it's a bubble. This is our entrance point, that's why you see it open. Everywhere, everything that needs to be covered has been covered. Everything that's exposed is going to get texture, and it is a show, folks. And because it's a messy setup, we're not going to have anyone videotaping during the process. We're just going to get one after the process. Sorry about that. I'm not a videographer. I'm a drywall repair dude, and that's how I roll. This is only a bonus, right? Darcy, what was so funny? That wasn't funny, dude. I'm not trying to be funny, man.
You're a funny guy.
I'm not a funny guy. You're a funny guy. You should look at yourself on camera. You're funny, not me. I'm just huge. Okay, this is Stavros on another repair. Hopefully, if I remember, because I'm usually just dying to get out of the job when I'm done, and I've got 1,000 before and very few afters. So hopefully Darcy will remind me to take an after video. Yeah, that's it, Darcy. Got him on camera now, so if you don't see a second video, you know who to blame. Blame him. Okay, Stavros out.